Exercise 1.1. It's the question number 3. The question says, at Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday. This is first information we are given. It dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Going below. Dropped word indicate going below. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? In the same question, one additional question is there. On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Right? So, first of all, according to the question, what we are given? The temperature of Srinagar on Monday. Let's note down what we are given in the question. So, please start. Temperature of Srinagar. Temperature of Srinagar on Monday. That is, we are given here. Okay, that is equal to, we need to mention it was minus 5 degrees. So please note down it in a bracket. Minus 5 degrees Celsius. And then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. We need to find, therefore, we need to find temperature of Srinagar. We need to find the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. Now, what is the meaning of dropped? Dropped word indicate that because in the beginning it was minus 5 degrees Celsius, but then dropped 2 degrees Celsius. So, minus 2 degrees Celsius here we need to write. So, minus minus plus, as you know. So simply I should say the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday, it will be minus 7 degrees Celsius. This is the solution of first question. Now in the same question we are having one extra part. What was the temperature of on Wednesday? It rose by 4 degrees Celsius. The word rose, R-O-S-E, rose, is a past tense of rise, R-I-S-E, rise. So, what we have to do? We need to find the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. On Wednesday, sorry. So, please note down temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday. Let's see what it will be. So, as we know that a day before, that is on Tuesday, it was minus 7 degrees Celsius. And after that it rose, R-O-S-E, rose means increase. How much it increased? 2 degrees, 4 degrees Celsius it is increased. So I am writing 4 degrees Celsius. All of us know very well minus 7 plus 4. Opposite sign, subtraction. So 7 minus 4 gives the result 3 degrees. And the bigger number is 7. Its a sign is negative. So answer is in minus. So this is the solution for the second. We can say therefore the temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday, it will be minus 3 degrees Celsius. Okay, my dear students, here exercise 1.1, it's a question number 5. I am reading it from the book. What we are given in the question, I have mentioned it in a short. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and he withdraw rupees 1642 rupees from it. Now, dear student, last year in class 6th integer chapter, in the very beginning exercise 6.1, you have studied about these two terms. One of them is deposit and another is withdrawal. The deposit word indicate plus and withdrawal word itself indicate minus. Fine. So, first of all, according to the given detail, let's note down the deposited amount. First point, what we are given? Deposited amount. Deposited amount, that is rupees 2000. Then second, withdrawal amount. Withdrawal amount, that is called withdrawals. Withdrawal amount that we need to mention, that is rupees 1640. Right? Now, as we know that this will be calculated as positive and this will be with negative. So in the same question, first is we are asked if withdrawal of amount from the account represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Okay. So first of all, according to this question, we need to give the reply therefore. Not therefore, we need to mention if, start doing so, if withdrawal amount, this amount, okay, we are calculating negative, it is given negative, so we need to mention here minus. If withdrawal amount is represented by a negative integer. So you can see withdrawal, we are taking out, the amount is we are taking out from our bank. So by a negative integer, how will you represent the amount deposited? The amount deposited will be represented by which? By what? By positive integer. Okay? As we know, for withdrawal it is negative integer, and for deposited amount positive integer. Very easy. Okay? So this is according to the question, first reply. Now in the same question we are asked, find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Fine. So we need to write here now next step. Balance in Mohan's account. Balance in Mohan's account. Balance in Mohan's account. So how we are going to measure, calculate it? We know deposited amount we are considering plus. So I am mentioning here rupees 2000. And this amount, here it is plus and in bracket it will be minus 1640 rupees. As we know, this is plus, this is minus. So let's simplify. For the plus you need not have to mention anything, but we know that plus minus, when the plus minus sign will be there, always it will be minus. So it will be rupees 1640. So let's subtract. What will be the answer? 2000 minus this. Please note down the final answer here. That is 0 minus 0, 0. Here it is 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 6, 3. And this is 360 rupees. That is the final answer. So finally we should say the balance in Mohan's account will be this much, rupees 360 rupees. Exercise 1.1, question number 6. Rita goes 20 kilometers towards the east from a point A to the point B. So please note down. Here we are given Rita, she is traveling, means she is moving to east direction. This is E indicate east direction, and she is coming from A point to point B, means the distance between A and B point is 20 kilometer. So please mention here 20 kilometer. And then from B, she moves 30 kilometer towards the west along the same road. It means from B point, now she is moving to west direction, means she is coming back to this direction, and she is moving. How much she is moving at that time? The distance she covers is 30 kilometer. So this much distance she is covering 30 kilometer. But this time she is covering to the opposite direction. Fine. So it will be minus. Now, if the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west direction? Very simple. So let's write and respond for the first answer. If the let's start. If the distance towards east direction, if the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer. If we are representing this distance from A to B, that is positive integer, then we are asked how will you represent the distance traveled towards west. So we need to write then the distance towards west direction is represented by a negative integer. Please remember this, beta. This we are going to represent with the negative integers. Now, please underline all these things where we have done the important we have written. See, if we proceed to the east direction, that is E, the distance will be calculated positive, means this is 20 kilometer, which is plus 20 kilometer we will calculate. And when we proceed back, means from west direction we are proceeding, then it will be calculated in negative integer. Clear to you, beta? So finally, by which integer, the question is, by which integer will you represent her final position from A? So let's start. So we need to mention here. Of course, if we subtract then 20 kilometer and then minus 30. 20 minus 30. So it is minus 10 kilometer. So we need to say the integer which integer will you represent her final position from A? So we need to mention we represent her final position from A from A by negative integers. By negative integers. What is the reason behind that? What is the, this is integers word I have written. Okay. Now, how we are gaining this? Because as we know, this is 20 kilometers, so this will be calculated plus 20 kilometer. Agree? And this coming to this direction, so it will be calculated minus 30 kilometer. And all of you know very well, plus 20 minus 30, opposite sign, subtraction. 30 minus 20 gives the result 10 kilometer. But the sign of the bigger number is negative, so according to this, answer will be okay. But a required answer is this only, negative integer. Here,